Figure 2.16 shows a graph of velocity versus time for the motion of a motorcyclist as he starts from rest and moves along the road in a straight line. Find the average acceleration between the intervals of 0 and 6 seconds. Alright. So, at 6 seconds, so recall, folks, that the acceleration is the change of velocity over the change of time. So the acceleration in the interval between, let's say, 6 seconds, so that's going to be at 8 meters per second, over the course of 0 meters per second, or in the course of 6 seconds. So that's just going to be 8/6 or 4/3 in this case, or in this case 1.33 meters per second square. And that's just part A. And part B is going to be asking for estimate the time in which the acceleration has its greatest positive value and the value at that instant. So the the value? You know what? I'm going to pull the solution manual after this, to be honest. But the greatest possible value is going to be at 4. It's going to be. Did it do from 0 to 6? Yeah. So it's possible that maximum is when the acceleration with the slope here is the highest. And it's highest right at 3 seconds, not 4. I messed up here. But at 3 seconds, and then it's going to steep down. So at 3 seconds, in fact, I'm gonna just pull the solution manual. My brain is just getting fried over these bunch of graph questions that they keep asking. So this is gonna be 3 seconds, not 4, and then here maybe the acceleration is 1.33 meters per second. I don't know. I'm just gonna put the average because I really don't care. When is the acceleration 0? That's when t equals 6 seconds. And part D. Estimate the maximum value of the acceleration at the time that this occurs. So it probably occurs around 8 seconds. A little after 8 seconds, I think. So about here, that's when the maximum is the negative acceleration component. And then here, the velocity is less. All right, for you guys. So it's 1.3 meters per second square. The maximum position occurs at t equals 3, and this acceleration is 2 meters per second square. And at t equals 6 is when the slope is 0. And the maximum negative acceleration, well, I guess it does say 8. And it kind of averages. I don't know how they get the average, and I really don't want to just average it out. So, especially when they give a shitty graph, so, but here's the solution for you guys to look at. Enjoy.